What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video about data structures and algorithms in TypeScript. Today we're going to embark on a new journey and tackle some stacks. So let's go further into kind of understanding what a stack is. A stack is a data structure that follows the LIFO principle. It's pretty much last in, first out. It's almost the opposite of a queue. The queue is first in, first out, whereas this is last in, first out. And this is what you should and visualize in your head when we're going through this. When you push, you're adding a new plate to the stack. And then when you pop, you are removing that newly added plate or the last plate in the stack. Now that we ran through that, let's get to some coding. Okay, let's go over how to code a stack. Let's first do our class. Then let's do our constructor. And then let's do our first method. It's going to be the pushing method. We take a parameter. It's going to be a number. We're not going to return anything with void. And then it's very simple. Our data structure is pretty much a list, and we're just pushing to that list. Then let's do some popping. With this method, I decided to return the number that we're popping or undefined if our length is 0. First, we check if our length is 0. If it is, we turn undefined. If it's not, we keep going. I grab the popped number and I return it. Very simple. Then I decided to do a little peek method. Peek method is really just getting the first element in the list. I return either a number or undefined here. If there's nothing in there, I return undefined. If not, I take a little peek at the first value of this array. Then I always do a little get all method. It just returns all the values that I'm pushing or all the numbers that I'm pushing onto this list. Then I implement the stack. First for pushing 10, 12, and 14. Then I'm console logging the peek method. Then I'm getting all just so I can get all the values back, which is going to be 10, 12, and 14. I do a new line here, and then I do the pop method, and I'm going to be popping 14. And then I get another get all method. And then we check if this works. And it works. We got peek 10. And we got 10, 12, and 14, and then we pop, and then we only have 10 and 12. So that is it, folks. That pretty much takes care of how to implement a stack in TypeScript. It's fairly easy. It's very similar to a queue. So yeah, practice those stacks, practice those queues. They're very similar. You can learn from another. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna be pumping out more content, more TypeScript content. So look out on the horizon. Thank you guys. Have a good day.